the low-tech fans. You're tuned into Smart Tech 4K, where we bring you the most incredible machines in the world. Today, we're looking at the top 10 mining giants. Let's check them out. Number 10. Liebherr PR-736. The Liebherr PR-736 is a versatile and powerful bulldozer built for demanding tasks. With a 210 horsepower diesel engine and an 18-ton operating weight, it tackles ground leveling, mining, and road construction with ease. Its 3.2-meter wide blade can lift, lower, and tilt flexibly, supported by a robust hydraulic system that ensures smooth operation in tough conditions. Designed for fuel efficiency and easy maintenance, the PR-736 is a solid choice for large construction sites and mining projects. Number 9. Case 1150. The Case 1150M is a mid-sized bulldozer designed for power and precision. Powered by a 220 horsepower diesel engine and weighing around 14.5 tons, it's ideal for ground leveling, earth moving, and infrastructure development. A strong hydraulic system allows for flexible blade control, while the spacious and ergonomic cabin makes operation intuitive and comfortable. The Case 1150M stands out for its performance, fuel efficiency, and cost-effective operation on job sites. Number 8. Shantui SD32. Built for big jobs, the Shantui SD32 brings 220 horsepower and a hefty 32-ton frame to the field. Its 6-cylinder diesel engine powers a 3.7-meter blade capable of lifting, lowering, and tilting with precision. The hydraulic system provides smooth, responsive control, and the spacious cabin keeps operators comfortable during long shifts. Rugged, reliable, and fuel-efficient, the SD32 is a go-to bulldozer for large-scale construction and mining projects, especially in harsh environments. Number 7. John Deere 950K. The John Deere 950K delivers 231 horsepower and weighs in at about 21.5 tons, making it a mid-sized machine with big-time performance. Its hydraulic system and durable build make it ideal for handling tough tasks like mining and site preparation. Designed with operator comfort in mind, the intelligent control system and ergonomic cabin reduce fatigue and boost productivity, even during long work days. Number 6. Komatsu D65. The Komatsu D65 is a reliable mid-sized bulldozer with a 238 horsepower engine and a 20.5-ton operating weight. Its powerful hydraulic system ensures strong, precise blade control, making it perfect for tasks like earth moving and mining. Thanks to its modern engine, it's fuel-efficient and built to last in rough terrain. A spacious and comfortable cabin adds to its appeal, making the D65 a favorite for both performance and operator comfort. Number 5. Case 815M. The Case 850M is a compact yet powerful mid-sized bulldozer, delivering 145 horsepower and weighing around 9.16 tons. Designed for efficiency, it features a fuel-saving engine, a reliable hydraulic system, and a durable frame perfect for ground leveling, mining, and material handling. Its comfortable cabin enhances operator productivity, while the smart design keeps maintenance and operating costs low. The 850M proves that size isn't everything when it comes to power and performance. Number 4. Komatsu D155. The Komatsu D155 is a heavyweight machine built for serious jobs. With 354 horsepower and weighing 30.3 tons, it's ideal for mining, earth-moving, and large-scale leveling. Its advanced hydraulic system enables smooth blade adjustments, while the intelligent electronic control system optimizes overall performance. Operators benefit from a spacious, air-conditioned cabin equipped with a shock-absorbing seat for all-day comfort. Rugged and reliable, the D155 thrives in harsh conditions with fuel-efficient power that keeps productivity high and costs down. Number 3. Cat D11. The Cat D11 is an industry icon, a heavy-duty bulldozer with 355 horsepower and an impressive 54-ton operating weight. Powered by a C18 ACERT engine that meets Tier 4 final standards, it's built for the toughest mining and material handling tasks. The hydraulic system provides precise blade control, while the adjustable blade tackles uneven terrain with ease. The D11's cabin is designed for long shifts, featuring air conditioning and ergonomic seating. ACERT technology boosts fuel efficiency and cuts maintenance costs, making the D11 a top-tier performer in demanding work zones. Number 2. Liebherr PR 764. The Liebherr PR 764 delivers power and precision with its 355 horsepower engine and 28.5-ton weight. Built to handle mining and ground leveling in extreme conditions, it features a high-performance hydraulic system and fuel-efficient engine. Its adjustable blade ensures optimal work on uneven surfaces, and the spacious, operator-friendly cabin enhances comfort and focus. Durable, efficient, and tough, the PR 764 is a trusted machine on the harshest of job sites. Number 1. Komatsu D275A. Topping the list is the Komatsu D275A, a beast of a bulldozer with 345 horsepower and a 33-ton operating weight. Its 6-cylinder diesel engine and strong hydraulic system give it the muscle to dominate in mining, site prep, and heavy-duty leveling. The spacious cabin is designed for ease of use and reduced operator fatigue, while its fuel-efficient design helps control operating costs. The D275A's performance, comfort, and durability make it a standout choice for serious earth-moving jobs. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video interesting, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to support us. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.